Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in charge of managing a facility, whether it's a corporate office, a manufacturing plant, a healthcare facility, or even a university campus, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into how smart facilities management strategies can seriously drive success in your organization. And trust me, we're not just talking about fixing light bulbs and leaky faucets. We're talking about real transformative strategies that save time, money, and headaches. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's break it all down. First off, let's talk about the shift we're seeing in the world of facilities management. It's no longer just a back-end support role. It's becoming a strategic pillar of business success. Think about it. Your facilities impact employee productivity, customer experience, operational efficiency, and even your bottom line. That's a big deal. And yet, so many organizations are still stuck in reactive mode, putting out fires rather than preventing them. That's where smart facilities management comes in. Now, what exactly is smart facilities management? At its core, it's about using technology, data, and proactive planning to take control of your facility operations. It's moving from let's fix it when it breaks to let's make sure it doesn't break in the first place. We're talking about tools like CMMS software, that's computerized maintenance management systems, for streamlining work orders, scheduling preventive maintenance, and tracking every piece of equipment you manage. These tools give you visibility into what's working, what's not, and what needs your attention before it becomes a crisis. And here's the kicker: smart facilities management isn't just about keeping things running. It's about aligning with bigger business goals. For example, when your systems are running efficiently, you're reducing downtime. That means higher productivity, less frustration from employees or tenants, and better customer experiences. And when you're tracking data like energy usage, equipment lifespan, and maintenance history, you're able to make more informed, strategic decisions. Should you repair or replace that aging HVAC system? Should you reconfigure workspace layouts to improve energy efficiency or employee collaboration? With the right data, you'll know. Another huge piece of this puzzle is predictive maintenance. Instead of guessing when something might go wrong, or worse, waiting for it to fail, you're using sensors and historical data to predict when maintenance is needed. It's like your facility is talking to you saying, hey, I need a tune-up before I burn out. And that kind of foresight, that's where the real cost savings come in. But it's not just about tech, it's also about strategy. Smart facilities management means building strong processes, setting KPIs, and continuously improving. It's about having a team that's aligned, trained, and empowered to solve problems before they happen. And yes, technology helps, but strategy is what makes it all come together. So if you're still relying on spreadsheets, sticky notes, or crossing your fingers and hoping nothing breaks, now is the time to make a change. The sooner you start implementing smart facilities strategies, the sooner you start seeing results. Lower costs, better performance, and happier people. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Alright, if you got value from this video, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got more content coming your way to help you stay ahead of the curve and make smart decisions for your business. And if you've already made the shift to smart facilities management, drop a comment below and let us know what's working for you. Until next time, stay smart, stay efficient, and keep leveling up.